Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about math operators order in Excel formulas. So we already learned this in school, but most of us, we forgot it. And when we now work in Excel, at that time, we need to understand that what are the operator orders to carry out the results in Excel. So let's get started. I'm going to open up Excel, but before that, if you are first time here on my channel and you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I upload Excel and Power BI videos regularly on this channel. So let me open up the Excel. And here we are in Excel, and here is the phrase, if you remember, that we learned in school, which is PEDMAS, and that stands for parenthesis comes first. If there is a nested parenthesis, then it starts with the innermost, then it comes with the exponents, then division and multiplication, whichever comes first from the left, and then addition and subtraction, whichever comes first from the left. So let's get started. I put it here, two sides, Excel and manual, and this is the formula that we are going to work out. So I put it is equal to in Excel, so it shows that way, but let me put it this way. So this is the same formula, and to work out in Excel, let me copy it here because we will work out that according to the rules as well. And let's put it is equal to here, so we know that how Excel worked out it and what is the result. So from Excel point of view, the result is minus 121. Now we are going to work out here manually from left to right. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. And then I'm going to put it formula as it is, which is 8 exponent 2 multiplied by 2 plus bracket and 3 plus 2. Now we are going to work out 2 minus 8, which is minus 6, and then exponent 2 multiplied by 2 plus in bracket 3 plus 2. It already put it is equal to there, so I'm just going to put it space so it doesn't work out. And then we are going to calculate this 6 exponent 2, so which is 36, and multiply by 2 plus in bracket 3 plus 2. And then 36 multiplied by 2 is equal to 72 plus in bracket 3 plus 2, which is 77. So 72 plus 3 plus 2, which is 77. So that is our answer, which know that which is incorrect compared to the Excel. So now let's work out that how Excel calculated it. Excel used this operator order. So let's do that. So first we are going to work out this 3 plus 2, which is in bracket. So 10 divided by 5 minus 8 exponent 2 multiplied by 2 plus 5. Then we are going to work out this 8 exponent 2. So 10 divided by 5 minus 8 exponent 2, which is 64, multiply by 2 plus 5. Then we are going to work out division, which division or multiplication. So division comes first from the left, so division, which is 2 minus 64 multiply by 2 plus 5. Then we are going to work out this 64 multiplied by 2. So 2 minus 64 multiplied by 2, which is 128 plus 5. Then we are going to work out on subtraction because that comes first from the left compared to the addition. So 2 minus 128, which is minus 126 plus 5, which is 121. So that's the way Excel worked out by following this order, and if you follow from left to right order, then it is wrong. So this is all about the math operator in Excel formulas. So whenever you have a complex formulas, then try to understand first that what will be the result based on math operator order. So this is all about math operator in formulas, guys. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.